Hi everyone, Miss Cahill here. This video tutorial is of a sample discussion. So I don't know how to show you how to do this on the iPad, unfortunately, so I'm using the web version. So when in doubt, you can go back, look at using Canvas on the web, and give that a try. I have a feeling it works pretty similarly on the Canvas app on the iPad, but just in case it doesn't, remember you can always use the web version of Canvas. Anyway, so because we're not going to be meeting face to face, we are going to be switching up how we do discussions. And so what a discussion is going to look like is using the discussion function on Canvas. So just like if we were having a face-to-face discussion, you will always have something to look at, be it a video, be it a question or a prompt, be it something you read or analyze, or something like that. Once you examine that item, prompt, video, reading, whatever, you're going to discuss it. And basically the way discussing it is going to work is you will leave a comment, kind of like you would on like a Facebook or an Instagram or something like that. So on the web version, it looks like this, and you can see here the prompt looks the same as it does for you, except for the fact that there's no video. And you are going to respond to it by pressing reply, and it should open up a little text entry box. And so you're going to say something pleasant, appropriate, etc. So, wow, I'm so excited to participate in online learning this year. What a strange and interesting opportunity, or something to that effect. You post the reply, it will save, and you'll see the reply on here. Sometimes you might be required or expected to reply to the original or to another student's comment. So in that case, you might say something like, I agree. This is great. I love doing homework in my PJs. Or not homework, schoolwork in my PJs. Something like that. And so we can see the reply, we can see the original comment, and of course the original post. So sometimes these are going to be for the whole class, other times it's going to be a group discussion. It really kind of depends. So for the purposes of this assignment, for this discussion, what you're going to do is just leave a comment on the original post. Once you do that, you will have met your requirement for the day. And if you leave a really great comment that makes me happy, maybe I will give it a like. So if you have any questions, as always, you can email me, Miss Cahill, at cahillm@verona.k12.wi.us with any questions whatsoever. Thanks so much for watching, for participating in the discussion, and for your time and your energy on this. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy learning.